This is your Fox 10 News Now update.
Hi everyone, Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. The state of Alabama hitting new records for COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations. According to the Alabama Department of Public Health, the state's death toll now from COVID-19 topping 4,000 yesterday. There are nearly 285,000 COVID-19 cases in Alabama, and 2,170 people are currently hospitalized for COVID-19 in the state, and that's a new record. According to Dr. Don Williamson, the head of the Alabama Hospital Association, the percentage of intensive care beds that are empty in the state hitting a new low of 7%. He says the state is seeing the impact of Thanksgiving gatherings. He says the surge in cases come now in the wake of holiday gatherings. It's a situation that health officials fear could deteriorate as we head into the Christmas season. Happening today, the FDA is expected to grant emergency use authorization for a COVID-19 vaccine in the U.S. This comes a day after a governmental panel voted to give the green light to administer Pfizer's vaccine for mass public use. Pfizer officials say that they are prepared now to ship more than 25 million doses of the vaccine to the U.S. through the end of this year. The first round of vaccine will be administered to healthcare workers and nursing home patients. Pfizer says that there should be no time wasted, though, in inoculating as many Americans as quickly as possible.
Modeling from the CDC shows that a vaccine with high efficacy can save many lives. However, a pandemic vaccine must be introduced before the peak of cases will impact.
The Centers for Disease and Prevention will meet this weekend with its ruling on the vaccine. Officials say that 2 more vaccines are wrapping up their trials and heading for FDA approval. Locally, Mobile and Baldwin area hospitals are set to receive a total of less than 10,000 doses of the Pfizer brand vaccine. Infirmary Health Systems, which operates 2 of the Baldwin County's 3 hospitals, will get 5,000 doses. Now, half of those will stay at Mobile Infirmary, and the other half will be split between North Baldwin Infirmary in Bay Minette and Thomas Hospital in Fairhope. South Baldwin Regional in Foley, meantime, tells Fox 10 News that it's the only hospital in our area not getting any of the vaccine the first round. However, they are working to partner with other hospitals and still hope to get some for their workers. COVID-19 by the numbers now. Fox 10 News taking a closer look at how cases break down in Baldwin County. So far, nearly 69,000 people have been tested. That's more than 30% of the county's population. Of those, more than 8,100 people, or nearly 12%, have tested positive. Anything over 10% is considered very high by the CDC. And so far this month, there have been 895 new positive cases. That makes up 11% of the total confirmed cases since testing began. Now, with a jump in numbers like that, testing sites like this on the PZK Hall in Robertsdale are extremely busy. PZK Hall is the only active test site currently set up by the Baldwin County Health Department. It's open, by the way, on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8:30 a.m. until noon. In Mobile County, if you want to get tested for COVID for free, you can stop by any of the locations on your screen next Saturday, the 19th, between 10 and 2 p.m. No appointments necessary. Just stay in your car, and testing is on a first-come, first-served basis. Now, after the success of last month's Know Before You Go testing event, the Mobile County Health Department decided to offer the free testing once again ahead of the Christmas break.
I'm meteorologist Michael White with your Fox 10 Storm Track report. Another dense fog advisory is back, and this time it covers everybody in our viewing area, and this one will expire at 9 a.m. Now, granted, visibilities are fine in some spots, but they're going to be poor in others, and you may not see the fog really thicken up until just before sunrise today, but be aware of that as you head out the door this morning, that fog is going to be another hazard. As far as rain, there's going to be a minor chance for that coming in this afternoon as moisture levels out of the the Gulf increase, but the better chances come this weekend. And our first chance this weekend comes Saturday ahead of this batch of rain you're seeing in the Plain States. This is along a cold front that's going to work its way eastward late morning and into the afternoon Saturday. Not only will it bring us rain coverage, but our temperatures and humidity levels will begin to slide back down. So if you've been enjoying these 70-plus degree afternoons, savor them because they are going to go away after the front passes through. So today, morning fog. We have the risk of weekend showers. And what about the weather for next week? Well, it will definitely be colder. Here's a look at the Fox 10 Futurecast, and you can see the front getting closer and closer to our area during the day today, but it won't begin to pass through our area until tomorrow. That's 9 a.m. Saturday. That's when the rain starts. It shifts east of I-65 by 1. We start to get some clearing in the sky, but if you have any Saturday evening plans, things look good, and things are going to look good for the majority of your Sunday as well, but we'll have another shot for rain coming in on Sunday night, even though Sunday morning will start off clear and sunny. Here's how the next 7 days stack up. 2 shots for rain Saturday and then another one Sunday night. Then we go cooler with highs back in the mid-50s Monday and mid-30s Tuesday morning with sunshine to start next week. We'll have weather updates throughout the day right here on Fox 10 News Now.
Stay tuned to Fox 10 News throughout the day for the latest updates. This has been your Fox 10 News Now update.